Assalamu alaikum. Most divorced Muslim men are not confused because they are stupid. They are confused because their mind is drowning in noise. Regret, guilt, anger, family pressure, what ifs, and endless text exchanges with the ex-spouse. The trap? You keep thinking of your way out while your body, your routine, and your heart are still living in chaos. That is why the harder you think, the more trapped you feel. By the end of this video, you will understand why mental clarity dies during emotional overload and the quiet system that brings it back. This is not fake positivity, just honest truth that works for broken men who still pray. I speak directly to you who is rebuilding after divorce and you're going through emotional collapse. Not as someone looking down on you, as a man who has felt that heaviness in the chest, the one that refuses to leave even when you smile for the world. I know what it feels like to look functional outside while the system inside is crashing. Still going to work, replying to messages, still praying, but internally overheating. If that is you right now, stay with me. I remember one night, phone in my hand, another long text exchange with my ex. Words on words, going nowhere. Everything felt tangled, heavy, exhausting. And then something inside me broke. Not dramatic, not cinematic, just pure exhaustion. I cried alone, and the only thing I could say was, "Oh Allah, until when? I'm struggling." Maybe you know that feeling. Body tired, heart tired, mind running 97 tabs at once. Brother, this is a turning point for many men, and most of us get it wrong. We think we need more answers. No, usually you need less noise. After months, sometimes years of grief, betrayal, financial stress, and family pressure, your mind becomes overloaded, like a phone with too many apps open, overheating, freezing. You do not fix this by forcing more thinking. You fix it by closing tabs. Yes, TABS, tabs. One by one. That is where rebuilding begins. Next, when your mind is chaotic, never sit alone at 2 in the morning trying to solve your entire life. That is where overthinking becomes quicksand. Instead, move, walk, lift, train, clean your room, go outside, sweat it out, because emotional poison does not only live in the mind, it lives in the body too. Movement drains it. Many of you tell me the same thing after training or even after a brisk walk. The problems are still there, but the panic feels smaller. That's important. A calmer body makes wiser decision. So start there. Next, crying. Crying does not make you weak. Pretending you are not bleeding inside while your life falls apart, that destroys men. So release it. Cry if you need to. Feel it, but do not build your identity inside sadness. Cry, then get up. Cry, then pray. Cry, then train. Cry, then take the next right action. Pain deserves acknowledgement. It does not deserve your worship. And this is where psychology alone cannot reach. For a Muslim man, clarity is spiritual before it becomes mental. There comes a moment when you realize you were never meant to carry this alone. Stop trying to do it on your own. Recite Ayatul Kursi. Make zikir. Talk to Allah like a tired servant, not a polished performer. For example, oh Allah, I am exhausted, I am scared, I don't know what to do now. Guide me, please. That kind of surrender changes the man inside. Peace does not come from control. It comes from returning to your proper place as Allah's servant. You know, too much empty time is dangerous. Doom scrolling, replaying conversations, arguing the ghosts inside your head. You become judge, victim, and prisoner, all inside your head. So, kill the idle time with structure. Wake up, pray, move, work, eat well, train, sleep. Boring? Good, because boring saves broken men. Chaos loves empty space. Structure closes the door. And clarity, hey, it rarely arrives in one moment. Usually, it comes quietly. 5% today, 10% next week. Then one day after prayer, movement, and discipline, you notice something. I do. I remember I said this. I'm not drowning anymore. I'm getting better. Quiet progress is still progress. Never forget that, yeah? Mental clarity after divorce is not a mindset hack. It is a system. Move your body. Release pain without worshipping it. Then anchor deeply in Allah. Recite Ayatul Kursi. Dua. Replace idleness with structure. And take one clean step at a time. You are not at the point of no return. You are at the point of rebuilding. The old version of you might be finished. Let him go with dignity. Allah may be shaping something calmer, stronger, wiser. If this spoke to your heart, do 3 things. Download the Muslim Man Review Playbook, link in the description, because this playbook gives you daily structure and emotional tools as well as spiritual practices we talk about here. Then comment below, do you agree that most men do not need more answers, they need less noise? I read every comment and subscribe if this resonated with you. Look, you survived 100% of your hardest days so far. You can survive this chapter too. Assalamualaikum.